Welcome today to our episode 3 of the NSX series, I guess. We're gonna be doing something very ambitious. We're gonna be installing 3 different pieces all in one go. We got the help of professionals. We got Julius. Julius right here. Yeah. What are we installing today? We're getting this carbon GT Type R wing on the NSX. This should be the easiest part of today because it comes with holes and everything. The second part is the more ambitious one, which is the side skirts. So now side skirts, we actually got 2 pairs to compare for you guys. How thoughtful are we? We actually just bought 2 sets because the first set wasn't aggressive enough. One set is actually from KZT Auto, and then the second set is from Evasive Sports. Put that chin. Oh! Genuinely for no reason, my car no longer starts. Every time I touch myself a little bit, every time the fiberglass touches my hand a little bit, it feels like I'm about to start bleeding. I swear there's something like dangerous about like breathing in fiberglass, right?
It's not dangerous. I think it's fine because it's not like insulation or even insulation is fine. It's more like asbestos and shit. But
as amount of news, we're already missing a key equipment, which is scissors. This is the first set of side skirts that we got from KZT Auto Parts. This was actually about $665. Honestly, nothing wrong with them, but I guess like the more you research, the more I research, like I realize there is a much more aggressive version. These vents look like babies compared to these ones. So these ones are from Evasive Motorsports, from Downforce Stacy. So that's the one I mentioned earlier. And this costs a whopping 2.4K. So these are gajillion dollars or a tiny bit bigger of a vent. If you're looking at this, think about which one you should get and you want to save yourself 2.4K, these are perfectly fine. This bad boy is Carbon Craft Pro Store. It's actually from Alibaba. This one's about 725. Not too bad. And the quality is very good. So far, if you do the math, cumulative total of all the parts so far, I think it's about 5250. What's our anticipated rating for how difficult this is to install? I reckon the wing, genuinely like a 2 out of 10. Skirts, genuinely maybe 8. Like, there's so many things to remove. When we jack the car off, we actually had a lot of trouble doing that on the last episode because the car's so low. We got the jack, we got the ramps, nothing fit under. We'll have to take the wheels off, can't be that hard. And then yeah, the skirts and all the stuff coming out. We'll see. Julius said it's really easy to take things off the car. He said he's really good at that. There's a lot of cars that are missing parts right now, or Julius. Julius has removed a lot of parts. He has not replaced a lot of them back on. So but yeah, let's go. Start with the wing. Hello. You. Hello. So genuinely for no reason, my car no longer starts. I'm stepping on the brakes. I'm turning this thing. 0 crank. Here's the thing. I feel like you're just in a bad mood right now. Usually when you just like whisper like nice things to my car, it'll start back up again. Okay, maybe Julius, you go try. Start.
oh, come on, Julius.
Oh. Oh, it's dead.
Yeah, it's dead. Like it's not, the battery is not connected, I swear.
We're gonna get a hammer, we're whacking with a hammer right now. This is some technology and techniques I'm not super aware of. Looks like it's gonna live here for a little bit because it doesn't look like it's coming home with me tonight.
The owns it now.
They might know something. They bring cars over, somehow make it not start, and it's theirs. That's why there's so many cars in there. We're still not able to start the car, but we're gonna do the wing. I actually feel like my car's Transformers. It's got a bit of a personality. I think it doesn't like the idea of the wing going on. Ain't that right? Okay, so fun fact about my trunk, the spring needs to be replaced. So we're actually gonna need somebody just to hold the trunk up because it won't stay up. Upon first inspection, it looks like there's like 3 nuts on each side. Very straightforward. This thing looks like it's gonna come off in about 40 seconds flat. Also, we got here another gift for you guys. A free left-hand drive NSX evaporator. Remember, do like at least you gotta pay for shipping or something. I know, like highest bidder. My NSX is right-hand drive. Bought the wrong side. It took like months to get this as well. It's actually worth a few $jillion. Let's see the thing I'll do for you guys.
He just loves you so much.
I steal from you guys.
It's coming off.
I think you just gotta be a little gentle with it. You gotta.
Oh. There you go. Ooh.
So these are too big, and then I keep going down, and it starts going too small.
All the damage.
Oh my.
Oh, asbestos.
Look at that.
Okay. okay. Good
Tight.
news is, with this new wing, the boot stays open.
Weird.
This is lighter, much lighter. It feels like, oh shit, the spoiler is like raising its eyebrows. Like,
A little bit.
I think I'm so used to looking at like this. So now the spoiler looks like.
I see.
Right now it's 3:26. We've gotten the wing on. This is meant to be the easiest part.
We should have been done
It
by now.
was, but things like, to be fair, that was pretty seamless. Matt says he's gonna be somewhere by 5:30. So we're gonna do 2 skirts.
In half an hour or less.
Yep.
Okay, we're on track, lads.
Looking good.
That was a little too fast. See, can we pop this back on the new skirt?
Oh!
Should be okay.
Some fun noises we're hearing.
It didn't even come out. It's just still in there.
Oh wow, I'm fucking this bitch up. Actually, this bitch is fucking me up, right? I'm applying a pretty reasonable amount of force right now.
Oi!
So these new side skirts pretty much all come with an extra vent, and this extra vent also has a bit of a mesh to kind of prevent, I guess, the debris from flying straight into the inside of your car. Kind of matters actually. Otherwise, it's just going to be like a rubbish collection center. The cheaper version actually comes with a mesh pre-attached, and the more expensive version doesn't. It just give you like a loose mesh, and you know what happens to loose meshes? We lose them. So right now we have lost one of them. I think it's at home, but I have no idea where it is. No mesh it is.
Holy fuck.
Damn, bro, it's taking ages, dude.
This one fell out. Shit. Wait, there's another one here. Hey, spare one? Is it like a direction?
I think this way is tighter. Like if you make it go in sideways like this.
Look at this man's focus.
Clip that bitch in. Oh, everything came out. Fuck.
Okay. Let's rethink the strategy.
I reckon we just try and line up the clips and push it on.
One of them dropped.
I wonder what's like the intended installation process for this.
20 minutes.
Slap this bitch on.
Isn't this fun, man?
Dude, it's so much fun. They just keep making shit that don't fit on your cars, you know? Alright, cheeky update on the skirts. The skirt is finally on. Like technically it's on. Do we use the clips? Not at all. It was just too difficult, and half of them are broken anyway. And it was looking pretty good. I think whoever needs to wrap this or like work on it is gonna have a bit of a trouble because it probably won't come off right now. It's just by straight tape. Bruh. It's tiring even for me, and I'm not even doing all the work. Julius is doing all the work. Julius is figuring out all the tools right now. Whew, and it's only 4:20. Not bad. Sun is still up, so you know that's how you know it's still good. And we got one more side of the skirts. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Minus the fact that I'm not gonna be able to drive this home tonight because the car won't start. You know, you win some, you lose some, man. Okay, so update. We'll try to put now the cover. What do you call this strip? You know, this little panel here back in between.
Oh.
Turns out there's an extra clip hole on the skirt. Ooh. See, don't try this at home, guys. Oh, this shit ain't no joke, man. Give us an update.
Defeated.
Defeated.
Holy shit, we got one side skirt on finished.
Definitely very ambitious. This could have been should have been like 2 episodes. One is trying to fix the car. Actually, it's 3 episodes. One trying to get the spoiler, and then the side skirts. 3 in 1 just for you guys. Ooh.
What's the outro gonna be? Like, that fucking sucked?
It's just what happened.
Boom. Here's the final product of an entire day of Julius's hard work, because I'm too scared to operate all of the equipment that Julius was operating. He was using all the drill bits, huge fucking drills, bang, bang, bang. But look, boom, look at the skirts. Yeah, they asked me, they tried to upsell me, it's like, yo, you want a door panel? I'm like, nah, it's gonna do nothing for me. Missing the mesh. Do we need the mesh? Maybe for practical reasons, but it looks like you can just force straight through anyway, so it won't catch any debris. And the wing, not bad. Looking pretty good, just like the NSX version. Am I gonna drive this bad boy home today? No, unfortunately, it's dead. I actually don't know what the plan is. See you next time. Boom.